Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So what you just saw is us trying to smash our TP, which we gave to the VIP this morning. So let's just quickly have a run over of this analysis. Okay, so let's check it out with me. I always talk about the daily time frame, the higher time frame. Yeah, I always talk about the higher time frame. And if you've been following up the VIX 75, let's say for the past 3 weeks, I think if you've watched my video, you can recall me drawing this trend line, which was broken. Okay, so for the past, if you've that's like a week now. So if you've noticed, there was a break here, and there was another structure that started forming from this resistance here, and it's actually just running through. If we are to really check this out, it can be adjusted. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that this market has been on the bearish side. Okay, it has been on the bearish side, in the sense that ever since the market broke this trend, it has been selling. So we were able to also, like, for the past how many few days, we've been able to take profits from this. So if you apply this if you apply price action, okay, if you apply price action to this, to any setup, like trying to do your setup, you are going to make good money from it. So as I was saying, now you've seen that this is the daily. I have my analysis, and let's go over to the 4 hours. Sorry, you might not be able to see the whole screen because it's not on landscape, but I'm going to try my best. So this is the 4 hours, and you've seen that this trend is actually still on the move. It's still selling. Okay, it's still selling. So what made me go into this trade? Now you've seen that I have a support and a resistance here. This is a resistance, this is a support. And now if you look over here, you see that we have a double top here. We have, sorry, a double bottom here. Okay, and we, as usual, we expect market to buy. Okay, I think we also did get some money from the buying from yesterday, because I've been giving the 300 and the 75 mostly. Okay, so having seen that market got to this level, we now got to see this on the 30 minutes. So you guys should always know that you have to go in between your time frames. You have to go in between your time frames. So now you've seen that this was an uptrend on the 30 minutes, but now it has gotten to this strong resistance. Where was this strong resistance gotten? It was gotten on the 4-hour time frame. Or let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, it was gotten on the 1 hour time frame. You see? So now we've seen that this is a support. This happened to be a support until it was broken here, went back up to this level, retested that region, got down, and went back to that level, retested it. When it retested it, we saw this on the 30. I saw this on the 30 minutes when I just woke up. I mean, that was like 5 a.m. So I actually expected a sell, and my SL was very close. That's why I gave the SL and the TP immediately, because it was very obvious that it's going to sell, and this market might likely just start maybe to respect them, do another what do I call it, form another structure, because now you've seen that on the 5 minutes, on the even on the 15 minutes, we see that. That's why I kept my TP here. That's why I kept my TP here, and this is where we smash TP. If I was to have a TP2, I'll put it here. Okay, and so on and so forth. So market might actually start rejecting from this region because there is a support here. You won't ignore that there is a support here. Looking at the 5 minutes And you know, when you're trading with the VIX 75, it's also important that you should use the 5 minutes, because I don't know how to put the 5 minutes still works in a way. It's more of a scalping kind of, because it's very volatile. It's very, very volatile. A lot of you will know that this market is very volatile. So you've seen that we have a support here, but it's 5 minutes, and we also have another support down here if we look at it very well. So that's why sometimes you have to use the 15-30 minutes to find that TP. Okay, you have to use the 15-30 minutes to find that TP. So this was the first perfect place for a TP, which might actually have price start pulling back up. Okay, start pulling back up. Don't forget, this is an uptrend. And you can also say that we were close to trading channels. You know, if you join our mentorship class, I'll teach you all of this, trading channels. So you see now that this is not a channel yet. What's going to make it a channel is me putting another trend above it. So when I put another trend above it and it comes out very well, let me say I'm using this. Okay, now this is a channel. Trading channels gets down here. Once it gets up here, it starts, you're sure of itself, but there was a breakout. Okay, but it came down here, still respected this region, went back up, respected this. So you see, trading channels. So this might actually be another fake breakout, or it might just be it respecting that trend line we had on the higher time frame. I'm talking about this trend. Okay, but also see, the market is very interesting. That's why you have to follow it up. Remember, we had a double bottom here, which was a buy. Okay, so with this double bottom, it's actually very possible for market to come back, break this region, and get back to the top, like to respect this. Okay, so you won't leave all of this out. So that's why you have to play with different time frames, so you know what to do at that particular point. By the time you compare all of this, you'll be sure on how, or on what to do. Is either you want to go long, or you want to go short, or you want to just wait. Okay, so this is why you have to follow up a pair. Don't jump from this pair to the other pair. No, just follow up a pair. 1, 2, 3 it's too much, but 1, 2 is okay. Understand how that pair works, what's been going on. I mean, you understand. So with this, price action is all about, you know already, because okay, for those of you that are new, price action is all about the past. Okay, it's all about you comparing the past to the present. Okay, looking for repetitive patterns. And now let me see if we can get something here. This is not actually a channel, but it's trying to create something like that. But you won't also be really there. That's why your chart might actually be dirty, but by the time you start seeing things, you can now start taking them off. These ones with things that I observed on the lower time frame. But don't also forget that this is the 4 hours, and the 4 hours is a very perfect time frame. So that notwithstanding, market might just have to buy back to cover up for the double bottom that we found, and come to respect this trend. So you won't take all of this out. You won't take it like you won't just forget about all these facts that I'm telling you. You can listen to this video and jot these things down. Okay, higher time frame, look for the strong support and resistance. Okay, you've seen that everything here is actually just the way it's supposed to be. This place has held till this very moment, and even till now, and even on this second point here. So you see that on the higher time frame, this is a very strong level, and just imagine this, our entry was somewhere around here, so, and our SL was a bit above this. So you see, it's very important for you to understand all these things. This also works on the crash. Now I know that a lot of you have been waiting for the crash, the crash, the crash. Now the crash is here. Let's get this analysis running. Now I think the last time I traded crash is like 2 days ago or thereabout, but we've been following the crash 300 because it's one of my favorite pairs as well. So now this is the 4-hour time frame, and right now market has left this region that we've had analysis already. So now what do you want to do? You want to start editing it, where you can decide to bring this, because this is from a long time ago, so you can just decide to forget that position for now. That was like August, and we are in November now. So you can decide to take this to relieve you of the stress. Now we've got a resistance at that point. And you've seen that here it showed support till it was broken and retested. This is a region, okay? Support retested and started dropping, and it's come down to respect this level. So this also works on the crash, and you can apply it on the boom, on all volatility, okay? So if this video has been helpful to you, please do want to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, okay? Share it to your friends. And also don't forget that we are running a mentorship class, okay? You can decide to join, and I'll teach you how to make this easy, okay? It's better to do it on your own. So please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bells, as I'm going to be dropping the crash through another indicator. Of course, I've made a video with this indicator on how to catch spike, and you can go watch it. And do you know one thing with indicators is it's not permanent. See, price actually changes, okay? Trend changes, things happen, okay, that might not go in line with the indicator anymore. So that's why you have to do more than just indicators, okay? This indicator I'm giving to you, that's why I'm saying turn on your notification bell, so that once I give you the indicator, you try it and it works for you. Like, you can use it within the time limit, okay, that it gives, the market gives us to make this indicator work, okay? So maybe it could be a week, 2 weeks, a month, sorry about that, a month, or whatever it is. So just make sure that you understand the market before you go into trade. Indicators help, yeah. Like now this the Ichimoku now can actually help me to know the trend, okay, and things like that. So the moving average as well. So we put all of this into consideration. Use indicator and use do your analysis on your own. Follow few assets, and you're gonna be good. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next in our class. Join the free Telegram channel. The link is on the description of this video, and also you can reach me on WhatsApp. The link is also on the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys.